My sneakers know you've been lying, so we run away. My sneakers know I've been crying, they take me away. My sneakers know you've been lying, so we run away. My sneakers know I've been crying.
Yo, what's cracking YouTube? It's me, your host Dune, aka your favorite sneakerhead. Once again, bringing up a sneaker pickup / sneaker review, early review. Before we get started, I need you to do me a favor. Like, subscribe, share, follow my TikTok, my sneaker Instagram, my main Instagram, all in the description below. Click the notification bell so every time I post new content, you'll be notified. I'm in traffic right now, LA traffic. I just hate it so much. It is the worst. I feel like I just been here for so long, So on my way to the spot to give y'all this early review for this sneaker that drops next week. Nobody really talking about it that much, but I like what I like, and you like what you like, and you here because either you like my videos or you just like this shoe and want an unbiased, because I don't get paid to do this, an unbiased opinion about the shoes. Either way, you're here, and I'm happy you're here. So we're going to go to the spot, give you all this review, then we're going to come back so I can give you some information about the shoe. So that's it. So stay tuned for that, and I'll see y'all in a little bit. Enjoy. Okay. We got the Air Jordan 13 box. Nothing special. Gray, red Jumpman right there in the center. Nothing really special. You already know, same old. Air Jordan 13 Retro Dune Red. What's that? Terra Blush. Size 8.5. I think suggested retail price is like $210, but I'll give you all the real retail price when I get home. Size 8.5. So this is a personal pair. No reseller here. I do want this shoe. All right. Boom. Woo. These are clean. I must say, these are clean right here. I don't know what they call it. I think they call it like the Dune Red or something like that. So, again, I'll give y'all more information when I get home. But I want to give y'all this early look. All right, so without further ado, we got the Air Jordan 13 Dune Red. Boom. Okay, so look, we got the Air Jordan 13 Dune Red. Right off back, I'm loving these colors. It's these two-tone colors. Like, it's kind of like a red color. Like, it says Dune Red, of course, duh. But, like, it's a different type. It's like a brownish red. I like that. With this light brown khaki type color right there. Loving that. See the air bubble? The hologram bubble right there. So not an air bubble, but you know what I mean, hologram bubble. White leather tongue right there with that Dune Red Jumpman. White laces. I don't think extra laces come in this. Got that bottom that is like a paw print because that's Michael Jordan's favorite animal. So all the 13s got that, like the bottom like a paw print, as you can see. That, boom, carbon fiber black right there. Got another unit right there, air bubble unit or almost hologram bubble right there. Jumpman in the middle of that, white pods, full white pods right there. Coming around the midsole, like I said, that brown light khaki color. But right here, the white hits, white toe box, Jordan right there. See that? Really like this. Sock liner coming in. Same thing on the extra other shoe right there. Dope shoe. I did have the red flints. I feel like if you had the red flints, you don't really need these, even though that red on the red flints was like a cranberry color red, which is different from this. It's a darker, more fuller color, fuller color. And this is a lighter color. If you got those, you really don't need these. And I did have those, but I don't got no more. I wore my set with them when I went to San Diego, and I like these better. So definitely looking forward to these. These come out next week, 25th, if I'm not mistaken. What y'all think about this? The Air Jordan 13 Dune Red. This is a copper drop. First of all, 13s aren't popular, so I'm pretty sure these are going to be sitting. But if you like them, you like them. I definitely like them. So yeah, let me know what y'all think about this. Yeah, I'll get back so I can give you some real information. Okay. Hope y'all enjoyed that detailed look of the Air Jordan 13 Dune Red. And now that I think about it, I kept on comparing that shoe to the Air Jordan 13 reverse Flints. Was that what that's called? Or Flint Red or Red Flints. That's what it was. I will put a review of the right up there. Right now, whatever that is up there. So I do got a review of that. But I actually have a better shoe to compare this shit. I don't know, why do I just cuss? I have a better shoe to compare this shoe to. And it's the Air Jordan 13 Ben. They should be up on the screen right now. I'll just put them up there. And yo, see that? These look, I mean, of course they're different, but it's basically similar. And this is off of StockX. I don't really know the whole complete story behind the Bens. That was before I got into shoes. But as you can see right now, 8.5, it's going for $1,800. Let me take this off real quick. All right, just wanted to show y'all that shoe. We're going for $1,800. But I like when Jordan Brand does this. A lot of sneakerheads don't like when Jordan Brand does this. And I mean, like, they take a shoe that's super, super popular, like a PE. Let's say a PE. And they change one little thing about it, but they make it a GR. They make it a general release that everybody can get it. I don't see nothing wrong with that. I mean, I get it. It makes the original version of the shoe not seem as important. But bro, I'm all about everybody getting a shoe. I don't care about. All right, so look, I actually don't like being outside and being seen wearing the same shoe as somebody else. I know it's going to happen. There's too many people in the world not to run into somebody with your shoe, no matter what the shoe is. But the way I counter that is, I don't wear my shoes as soon as I get them. And that's just a personal preference. I wear my shoes probably like months after, unless it's something that I really want to wear. I got a fit already planned out. I got shoes that came out like 2 years ago. I'm still sitting on, but that's my personal preference. So I'm not a person to say, oh, don't re-release a PE like all them UNC PEs they release, but they changed something. They don't got the University of North Carolina Tar Heels logo on the tongue. People like, oh, these are the fake versions of those. They're not the fake version of those. The Jordan Brand released it. But I'm sorry about that. I went on a little mini rant. I do want to give y'all some information like I always do. This is going to be off of Sneaker Bar Detroit. Hold on. I'm stuck in traffic, so I'm doing this while I'm in traffic. Let's put this up. 3, 2, 1. It should be up right now. All right, so Air Jordan 13 Dune Red releases June 2024. Introducing the all-new Air Jordan 13 Dune Red is set to launch in summer 2024. Unlike the popular Ben 23, Ben 23 version back in 2010, this release boasts a fresh color scheme of Dune Red, Tier Blush, and White. The shoe design promises a captivity combination of materials, anticipating the striking use of the Dune Red on the mesh panels, while Tier Blue Suede graces the overlays, heels, and medium sides. The look are white leather tongues, toe box, and accents on the midsole paws and rubber soles. Outlines. The iconic hologram on the lateral ankle remains intact, preserving its original charm. Release date on June 25th, 2024. That's next week. Retail price is set at $210. Yeah. And that's pretty much it. You can read the rest. And don't worry about them ads. I'm gonna stroll up so y'all can see if y'all want to see more images of the Jordan 13 Dune Red. But yeah, I think that's pretty much it right there. But I like the shoe. I like it. I think it's a clean shoe. Look at those. I think that's a clean shoe. I'm gonna turn it off. I think it's a very, very clean shoe. I am looking forward to this shoe. And I just like 13s, like in general. Like the Jordan 13 He Got Games is in my top 3 favorite Jordans. He Got Games, the White Cements, and the Grape 5s. And I need to replace all of those. And I had all of them. Well, I still got my He Got Games now. I think I wore them like once. And that was I had 2 pairs of He Got Games. I need to replace my grapes. I had the grape 5s and I had the Fresh Prince of Bel-Air grape 5s. And I had a pair of white cements. So I'm rumors are they're gonna re-release the white cements next year, 2025, summer 2025. So I'm hoping they don't put it in the Reimagine pack and they change it, whatever, because I want the original ones. And I need to double up on them. So, but yeah, let me know in the comments below what y'all think about the Air Jordan 13 Dune Reds. Is a cop, is a drop. Like, subscribe, share, follow my TikTok, my sneaker Instagram, my man Instagram on the description below. Click the notification bell so every time I post new content, you'll be notified. And as always, from me, your host Tune, aka your favorite sneakerhead, representing Tune's Kicks and the whole Tune Squad. You know what to do. Have a nice day.